All right, it is January 2nd. It's the second to last day of the season here in upstate New York, and hopefully it's going to be a good one. Trevor found a pretty good field. Actually, the last field duck hunt we posted is the same field. He hasn't hunted it since. It filled back up like we said it would. It's looking pretty good. There's several thousand ducks in there, some geese in there. Now goose season is open, so we can shoot our geese. Me and my little brother Ethan, we got here a little early this morning, so we're just kind of waiting on the guys to get here. It's wet. It has been raining all night and freezing rain on and off, and then it's supposed to hopefully switch to snow first thing in the morning. So that looked really, really good for killing some ducks. I mean, it is raining, so I'm gonna film as much as I can, but I don't want to ruin the camera equipment, so I'm gonna feel it out, see what I can do. There should be, I think there's 8 of us total. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Hopefully we can shoot some geese and some ducks. I mean, this precipitation in the morning, whether it's rain or snow, should get the birds moving in the morning, so we don't have to wait for an afternoon hunt, and we'll get this rolling. Sorry I didn't film the setup, but it was pretty rainy, crappy this morning, so we just got everything set up. We just got in the blind. We got about 5 minutes for shooting light, and it's pretty dark out, so hopefully the ducks start flying here soon and we get some fair share of shooting in.
I see the 2
Ducks are already landing in the field. They went down that big wet hole. Real low. Shoot him.
I killed that one. I killed that far one down there.
We both
well,
shot. We both shot that one down there.
That was something. We worked them.
We both blew that one.
Yeah.
Hey, good shooting.
You did a good job. Good stuff.
You get one, Ethan?
Yeah.
Me and him.
I think you shot.
That one.
I actually think you shot the one to the right because there's 2 down. He's picking this one up, and then I think you killed the one off to the right. But either way, good job. That was a good call. That was a good call. Worked those birds real. He's grabbing a bird.
Yeah, one.
Yeah. Trevor. Good job. Zeus, here. Zeus. Here. 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 Zeus. Zeus. Here. Give it. Good.
Here.
What? I've never seen you move so slow. What? Did you feed him? What? What are you doing?
Oh, this weather's pretty junky. Camera equipment's getting pretty wet. It's like a rain, snow. We're sitting in water. So we'll see how the rest of the morning goes, but we have 5 ducks down, so hopefully we can finish out a limit here.
those guys.
Well, that was some geese. We got mojos on.
That one's going down in the field.
Yeah, that's what I was yelling out.
Kinda...
Yeah, the mojos are flaring them a little bit, so take what you can get. I mean, I think they would have all gone probably feet down right out the jump if the mojos weren't on, but I mean, we'd rather kill ducks than geese, but the geese are just a bonus, so we'll take them. All right, I'm gonna go help him. So we're gonna pull the mojos that aren't on the remotes, so they're not running the whole time the geese are going. So hopefully we can shoot a couple more geese or decoy them a little bit better. But Zeus is picking up a couple of birds that sailed out, and I really hope some more ducks show up. But we'll keep shooting. It's gonna be an interesting day, but it should be fun.
No, that wasn't me. Yeah.
What a maple leafing. Yeah, I'm just gonna shut up.
These ducks out doing it up there.
Look at the geese. Right here.
No, there's 3 ducks.
Look at these geese.
She's geese to the left.
Ducks, and geese. See these ducks?
Yep.
These ducks?
Kill those guys.
Kill them geese.
Kill those geese. There we go.
Oh, geez.
One shot.
Good deal.
Yeah. Those 2 ducks died, right? No. Wait, those 2 ducks didn't die?
These 3 geese are into it. I thought they were.
Ducks coming back.
Oh, you should die. You should really die.
See the scoop trim?
And they all pick up.
You know what? Just take 1 shot. Shoot them in the spread. Actually,
Oh my god.
all right, hop in. Hop.
Here we go. Here we go, right to the left.
Kill those!
I got that one.
Well, that was better. That was a little bit better. They sucked right in. Not bad. What do we get, 4 or 5?
Just that little guy.
6? That's a little bird. It's a little chicken.
Fetch it up.
That's that one that was on the far left.
Yeah.
Popped over.
Yep.
Got it?
Bring it here.
Yeah,
Come on.
Alright, looks like a little tube coming out of her.
There you go, Cody. I wonder what they think at that point.
He's probably like, I'm just going to try to get away even though I'm not going to be able to. The one they got away with banded.
Hey, prove it. You can't prove it wrong. He's definitely banded. All right, we're gonna go back. The ducks really didn't fly this morning, so we're gonna go chill out for a minute, warm up, dry off, because we're freaking soaked. But we're all gonna get out of here, we'll get some food, and we'll be back in a couple hours to try to get the rest of our ducks. And maybe one goose, finish out the geese. All right, we are back. We just went and got some lunch, hung out for a minute, and now we are going back out. The spread's still set from this morning. We might move a couple things around, but just gotta grab the Mossbergs and head on out there. So we didn't see many of the ducks this morning, so we're kind of banking on them coming this afternoon. There's a lot of ducks in here last night, and we saw probably a couple hundred ducks this morning, but there were several thousand in here last night. So there's a lot more to come. Hopefully we can get a good shoot out of it. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Let him work.
We
got some birds in the spread.
Hang on, check the air quakes or anything in the air.
I don't see anything.
I don't see any other.
Might have to just shoot these ones on the ground.
Ready?
1, 2. All I saw was hens. I only shot once because I saw like 2 drakes.
There was one drake straight out here.
I had
Hen,
one
dude.
gun. Had
There was
bullet.
a drake right in front of me.
I could have
The
sworn
drake
there was a
took
drake
off.
out
The one
there.
that took off in front of me was a hen.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought there was a drake out there.
It did. It came and left, and then a hen was in. There was a hen right next to the mojo. Here, come on, here.
All right, that's gonna wrap up the night. We're gonna pick up decoys right now. We'll probably still have 10 minutes left. But we ended up with just that one volley of mallards coming in, and that was the wrap of the night there. So there's some open water because it rained so much last night. It rained a lot, so it opened up a lot of spots, and there's some standing water in a cornfield right near the roost, so they all just hopped into that and didn't come over here. So it's gonna wrap up the night. I don't know what their plan is. I don't know if we're gonna hunt those tomorrow or a river spot or go try to kill some divers, but we'll be sure to bring you whatever we end up doing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and we'll see you later.